What's going on, guys? It's Jay. Welcome back again. Same day, I got the same clothes on. It's like literally 30 minutes later from my last install, but I finally got in the Cobb shift stop. I've experienced that slop in the first, second gear shift, so hoping this will fix it. I think I see a cool Cobb sticker down there too, so I'll throw that onto the window. All right, guys, so for this installation, we're gonna have to get inside the boot and kind of get down to the shifter. So we're gonna take the shift knob off. Once you get that off, you want to grab right here around these trim pieces. Like I always say, don't force anything if it don't feel right. Don't keep pulling on it. We have to loosen up these two bolts right here. All right, guys, so it's the next day. It got really dark outside, so I couldn't really get on camera what I was doing. But for the install, it was pretty simple. There's two 10mm bolts right here you need to remove. Take those out. Once you get those out, in the Cobb kit, they supply 2 sets of nuts and washers. One set of nuts are shorter than the other ones. So what you're gonna do, you put the short nuts on first, then you put the washer, and then you put the bigger nut on top, and then you tighten everything down to like where it's snug, where you can still adjust this. So what I did was I put the car in first gear and I put the shift stop over to where it's just touching the side of the shifter, so that way I still have room to go into first gear, but it still does its job. So make sure you just go through all your gears, make sure everything is going in right. You don't want to put this too close to the shifter, because then you're going to struggle to get into first and second gear. So just put it close enough to where it's touching the shifter, but you can still get into first and second gear. So once you do that, tighten everything down, and then you just put your shift boot back on, put your shift knob back on, and you're done. Go take it for a spin to see how it is. Honestly, I rode it around last night, and it makes that second gear shift a lot easier. But it would go too far over, so I would kind of have to freehand it to get it into second real good. But with this, I don't even have to worry about that. I just shift straight back and it goes into second gear, no problems. Got this on, very happy with it. If you want one, check out Cobb's website. They have them. I think it was like $45. He got here pretty fast, and I had standard shipping. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.